Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another weekly recap. This is going to be for June 24th through the 30th, so the last week of June, as well as the last week of the first half of the year, if you can believe that. For this week, I used the D kit from TheCraftyStudent, Together Forever. Show you what I used. Some glitter headers. All of the functional page, quite a few little things, as well as some icons, headers, half boxes, quarter boxes, half check boxes, all of the gold deco boxes, some flasks. I didn't use as much washi, and I will explain that here in a few. And then all of the full check boxes, as well as both of the weekly boxes, the covers, some headers, a couple of the skinny washi, and that's what I used. So on to the actual week itself. Here is the weekly view. We ended up having trouble on Monday. We ended up having a leak happen. So from Tuesday through Friday, we ended up at grandparents' house. My husband took most of the week off. He had a job thing going on right here, but I was able to edit and everything at their house, but I was not able to upload because my computer nearly died because I forgot the adapter. So there's that. Plus, I got a couple of packages that week. And yeah, the countdown started for reals. It's crazy. So I ended up getting both of them being the Rainbow Scheme birthday countdown. So I ended up putting her initial and my initial above ours. Our birthdays are exactly 6 days apart, which is actually kind of funny. So that was my week. And it actually kind of worked out because his grandparents ended up coming Friday instead of Thursday. So when we ended up spending the night Thursday, my husband came home from work and picked us up, and we left to go home. So there's that. Here is the sidebar. And per use, it's just my usual sidebar. Full box up there. To-dos. His work schedule. And then my water tracker, vitamin medication tracker for my daughter. And then instead of using it for walks, I actually used this for if we actually got out of the house. So, and we weren't able to really get a whole lot done. I'm just go ahead and crossing that off. But okay, had to do mom stuff. So this was my short list. I ended up adding these right here. I don't know why I crossed them off. I should have just colored it in. So on top of the ceiling crap happening and the staycation on Saturday, we ended up having the air conditioning go out. So there's that. I put this on the back just because I wanted to put it somewhere. Then on to Monday, started out filling it out. I made chicken. I ended up not getting a lot done because the ceiling started leaking at 4. Yeah. And then this whole week is just not exactly full. As you can see, we did go to the pool, and I ended up binge watching Charmed all week. Thinking Charmed. But as you can see, not a whole lot happened. I did get this done, bills paid. Saturday we had a day, went to Olive Garden and saw Annabelle 2. Actually, I guess it would be more like Annabelle 3. Almost. And then Sunday, I think I got the most stickers down. Besides the other day, so that is it. That's my very short, very quick week for June 24th through June 30th. So if you guys like planner stuff videos, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys very soon with my next video.